Do you want to speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally, without memorizing boring grammar rules? Then listen closely, because today, I'm giving you 2 of the most powerful techniques used by polyglots and language masters: shadowing and active listening. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to train your English brain faster, smarter, and more naturally, this video is for you. Let's jump into the techniques that can truly change the way you learn English. What is shadowing? Shadowing is simple. You listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say at the same time. You don't wait. You don't translate. You copy the rhythm, pronunciation, and emotion. Why shadowing works? It trains your mouth to move like a native speaker. It improves your pronunciation fast. It forces your brain to think in English. It builds speaking confidence. Example: play a short podcast and speak along even if you make mistakes. The goal is flow, not perfection. How to shadow properly. Here's the correct method beginners and intermediate learners should use. Choose a short audio, 20 to 40 seconds. Listen once without speaking, understand the tone. Shadow with the speaker. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Record yourself. Compare your voice with the native speaker. This builds natural English muscles, just like a workout. Pro tip: use audiobooks, movie scenes, speeches, or English podcasts. Listening for fluency. Listening is not passive. You don't just listen. You listen with purpose. Here's how active listening works. Listen for rhythm and intonation. Notice strong and weak sounds. Pay attention to connected speech. Catch repeated phrases. Try to predict the next sentence. Listen again at a slower speed than normal. This transforms your ears. When your ears improve, your speaking automatically improves. Example: listen to a native speaker say, "I'm gonna go there later." You learn real spoken English, not textbook English. Shadowing with movies and TV shows. Movies and TV shows are one of the best tools for shadowing. Here's the method. Choose a short scene, 10 to 20 seconds. Turn on subtitles for the first listen. Turn off subtitles when shadowing. Copy tone, emotion, speed, and pauses. This helps you sound natural. Learn real-life expressions. Improve emotional expression in English. Example: shadow a line from a movie like, "Hey, don't worry about it. You've got this." Say it with the same confidence and energy. Best material for listening practice. Many learners get stuck because they don't use the right listening material. Here are the best sources. English podcasts, slow or natural speed. TED Talks. Dialogue-based YouTube channels. News in simple English. Real conversation videos. Choose content that matches your level. If it's too difficult, you won't learn. If it's too easy, you won't grow. Common mistakes to avoid. Most learners fail with shadowing and listening because of these mistakes. Speaking too fast. Choosing long audios. Trying to be perfect. translating in their head, not repeating enough times, not recording their voice. Here's the fix. Short clips, consistent repetition. Focus on clarity, not speed. Listen gives shadow, gives record, gives correct. This simple system guarantees improvement. Building a daily shadowing habit. If you want results, you need consistency. Here's a simple 5-step daily routine. Wake up gives listen to 1 minute English. Afternoon gives shadow a 30-second clip. Evening gives shadow, again, with better accuracy. Night gives listen to 5 minutes of natural English. Weekend gives review your recordings. This creates a strong English-speaking habit without feeling overwhelmed. How shadowing builds confidence. Shadowing does more than improve pronunciation, it boosts confidence. Here's why. You train your mouth muscles. You master natural expressions. You learn to match native speed. You reduce fear of speaking. You build fluency without thinking. Every time you shadow, you are practicing real speaking. Not writing, not reading, speaking. The more you do it, the more natural English becomes.